Guys, our 6th day here. So, mag-eat muna kami ng breakfast. So, nagbili ng croissant bread yung asawa ko sa labas. At yun, ng milk. Nag-hot pa siya ng milk doon. Diba? Siya na, mayroon ding ano dito. Cereal. Oh, guys, may apple din tayo, guys. So, apple for breakfast. Dito kami sa labas, guys. Nakain ng apple. May nag-ano yun, nag-cut ng grass, nag-cut ng plant. Yeah? Temporal ba? Ayun. Ayan. Yummy apple na? Yummy apple daw, guys. Look, guys. Miracle. He do the dishes now.
Look at you.
This first time we do the dishes now. Nakakain lang naman siya ng ano, ng egg. At saka bread. Yan. Naghugas na ng pinggan. Hindi kasi ginagamit namin ang washing, guys, kasi konti lang ang namin, ang hugasan namin at guys, save tayo sa kuryente. Huwag tayo mag-abuso kaya. Yan. Hanwash lang namin kasi yung mga pagkainan namin ay 4 plate lang naman ay hanwash lang. At never kami nagamit ng washing kasi kunti lang ang hugasan namin. Good for washing, guys, is you have so many dishes, then you can put there on the washing, but if your dishes is very small, then you can do your hands only. So that way you can save the electricity. So now, guys, it's 10 o'clock now in the morning, guys. So I need to prepare this. I need to make a pork stick, guys. So we need to marinate this. I marinate this first, guys. In lunchtime, I will cook this in lunchtime. So i-marinate natin to, guys. Lagyan na natin ng lemon. So lang natin, ipuga lang natin lemon dito, squeeze using our hand.
Ultimately, the trophy goes to Ultraviolence opponents, but there are many awards still up for grabs. This is where teams get recognition for achievements including overcoming adversity, being humble, and in the case of this
Japan, because those feelings exist in the hearts of Japanese people. And that's why it survived, I think. Even when Shugendo was suppressed, it persisted.
Now, guys, lagyan natin ng black pepper. Parsley leaves.
Nachi Falls is Japan's tallest uninterrupted single drop waterfall.
Seen as a deity. Soy sauce.
In 2023, right next to the falls, the
Then we mix it, guys.
After 150 years, today, Shibata is leading an important ritual. Wooden strips bearing written wishes are burned, offering a prayer for health and safety.
So, last natin ilagay, guys, is yung garlic. Cut this into small.
Takagi Ryōrei. He was instrumental in the revival of Shugendo in Kumamoto. After the abolition in 1872, many mountain routes went unused for over a century. Streams leading to waterfalls became clogged with fallen trees. Takagi and a group of volunteers conducted a restoration project. In 1992, setting practices finally resumed. In 2004, the region's many pilgrimage routes were collectively named as a UNESCO World Heritage Site.
Then, ilagay natin dito, guys.
Coexistence of various
Mix natin siya dito. So, halo-halo lang natin, guys.
to increase.
Religions all over the world
be after him, and sometimes you have to
Mit 16:1 Richterstimmen.
Die Magie der Eis auf dem Teller, wenn es so ein bisschen an.
We try this. So, we add,
Da sind sie auch schon, unsere beiden Gartenexperten.
small amount of salt, guys. Kasi hindi siya, parang wala siyang lasa. Kasi ang soy-sauce kasi dito, guys, ay hindi maalat.
Wird in einer Art symbolisiert, was so leicht wird.
Hindi masyadong maalat ang soy sauce dito, guys. Kaya, so yan na, guys. So, I will cook this later, guys, during lunchtime. So, isok lang natin muna siya dyan. My rice is cooked na, guys. O, diba? It's easy to cook. So na, guys. I cook this now. Now, the tree is cooked now, guys. So, I need to cook that tree. The tree also, because there are six pork sticks. So now, cook na tong tree, guys. Then, while I cook that, guys, I cut also the onions. Then, I add that later when the all pork is cooked. So, now, all is cooked na, guys. So, I cook this with oil and butter pala, guys. So, now it's cooked now. So, now we add butter again here for the onion, to fry the onion here, guys. So, we add the onion here. I use white onion, guys. You can use also red onions if you want. For me, I use white onion for this. If the white onion is available on my cousin, my tiny house. Yan, fried lang natin ang onion, guys, hanggang sa medyo maluto-luto siya ng konti. Very good, guys. It's very good. Now, guys, next we add the marinated sauce we use for the pork when we marinate this. We add the Marinated sauce here.
Oui, c'est quand même bien dur, je pense, l'étape aujourd'hui, mais on va essayer d'aller au sprint avec Asper de nouveau. Oui. Vous sentez bien réglé tout ça avec lui maintenant.
So, ano lang natin mix lang natin siya, guys.
Sprint du tour, c'est toujours très difficile de faire le timing juste. Et je pense les deux derniers sprints, on l'a très bien.
Now guys, i-add lang natin ang ating pork chop.
Ça a été très dur à digérer hein, quand on a 30 secondes d'avance et puis qu'on va voir revenir Vingegaard en avant.
I-add lang natin dyan.
Après se relever et puis il reste sur 2 défaites également Pogacar.
At yan guys, i-add her all na guys, the 6 pork stick. O, nandito na ang ating yan na guys, the pork stick is cooked now. Pork stick now. So ready na guys for lunch. So parang lunch at dinner na to guys kasi 6 pieces to. Hindi na ako magluto mamaya, o diba? So we try the taste guys. Very yummy guys. It's yummy than in the restaurant. It's yummy in the restaurant guys than in the restaurant. So yan lang guys ang ating recipe ngayon sa lunchtime is a homemade pork stick. Diba? So hindi pa to naluto guys, tapos yung asawa ko ang bread ay tinutuslo na niya dito sa sauce. Yung nagluto pa ako sa yung nagluto pa ako dito sa diba? Ang pork stick natin guys is cooked na guys. So ready for lunch na. For lunch and dinner to guys kasi marami to. Hindi na ako magluto mamaya guys sa dinner. At mayroon din akong mga stock dyan na luto sa dinner. So, diba? Ang yummy guys. Sobrang yummy ng aking pork stick. So, okay na guys. Dito na ang aming lunch. O, diba? May ang salad na walang kupas. Nandiyan na naman. At akin, yung rice natin na mainit pa. Dito, mainit pa din. Pork stick natin. Tapos may eggplant pa ko guys. Tapos may paksiw na isda pa ako. Kahapon pa yan. Nagbili ako ng half kilo at yan, mayroon pa guys. Yan, kasyana is, yan, kasyana salad na may ham. At saka iwan ko ng bataan yan, hindi man mahilig sa rice. So yan. Kami sa park guys kasi yung anak ko gusto maglaro. At yun, umuulan oh. So nag-sweater yung lola ninyo at nag-jogging pants. Tapos nagsapaw pa ng t-shirt at nag-sweater kasi cold. So ang lakas ng patak ng ulan. Kami lumabas ngayon at yun siya na gustong lumabas kasi maglaro daw siya. Yun, lumabas kami kahit na medyo kahit umuulan. Siya din nandoon sa bahay sa tiny house, hindi lumalabas. So she like that, she like this place. So ang daming naglalaro dyan. Nandito naman siya sa doyan. Sige, doyan siya na. Yan. Umakyat na naman siya dyan. Ito sa duyan guys. Balik ako dito sa duyan. Oh, di ba? Yung duyan dito nila. Oh. Malaking duyan. Babalik ako dito sa malaking duyan. Di ba? Mabubuang ako nito guys. Kasi yun know, ulan dito. Dito kami sa park. Na umuulan. Taligsik guys. Taligsik. Tingnan nyo guys, may magandang bulaklak dyan. Pink, color pink. Ay, ako. Yun. Maraming tao dito guys ngayon ha. Ngayong hapon. Hindi kasi mainit kaya maraming tao. Maraming mga bata, mayroong mga kids at mga malalaki. Mga ano din, mga malalaking bata. Masih siya na side guys. O, diba? Siyempre, nagduduyan din lula ninyo. Diba? Nagduduyan din. Oh! Oh, tinatabyog ako guys. Nakasawa ko. Oh! It's more fun. Yan. See? Why you stop that? I like that. So si Shana guys, nandoon na naman si Shana. Hindi mag-stay si Shana ng isang laruan guys. Punta naman siya doon. Doon na yung daddy niya, ako dito sa duyan. Sa duyan ni nanay. Duyan na naman ako dito sa duyan ni nanay guys. Wala, naglalaro si Shana dyan oh. Si Shana. Nasa duyan ako ni nanay. Yung asawa ko. Tagatingin ka Shana. Ito ko sa duyan na malaki guys. Malaking duyan. So, ulan pa din.
Chicken.
You sit here, Daddy.
You sell chicken?
Chicken? What chicken?
Fried chicken.
Daming tao dito guys. Ngayon. Yon, si Shana, nandoon na. Hoy, Shana. Yun si Shana. Yay! Slide dyan na! Slide now! See? Pakuan daw siya pa slide siya pero kuan siya siyang daddy paali diha sa sige! Slide! Yay! Takot mag-slide si Shana. Na kami guys na niran si Shana. Still raining guys. So kailangan mong tandaan ang number mo guys kasi mapunta ka sa ibang bahay.
Dalas.
Siya di kahapon pumunta dyan. Hindi kami dyan nag-stay. Dito kami nag-stay sa 246. Yan, may banana dyan. There's banana trees. Yan. Uwi na kami ng bahay. Nag-jump ako doon guys. Diyan, nag-gymnastic. Yan. Si Chadi nandito lang sa loob. Now guys, my chicken adobo is cooked now. So first guys, I marinate this with soy sauce, lemon juice, onion and garlic. I cut it into small. Then I add a black pepper, parsley leaves, and a oyster sauce. So after I marinate guys, I directly cook here. And this is the result. Look, I cook this guys directly with the marinated sauce. This is the result guys. Look, yummy guys. At I add also small amount of salt this guys. So this is so yummy guys. So delicious guys. Ito yung dinner ng aking mga kids. Nag-request sila ng chicken daw. Chicken mama, I love to eat chicken, they said. So now I'm done cooking this and it's yummy guys. So yan na guys. Dinner time na guys. So ito yon. May chicken adobo. At may potato dito. At ito, pork stick ng asawa ko. Hindi ko makain ng pork yung ng mga anak ko guys. Iwan, si Chadi kumakain. Ganito ngayon, hindi siya kumakain. Chicken ang kinakain ni Chadi ngayon. Siya na also chicken. So, yan. Ako pili lang ako kay anong kakainin ko dyan. Yung asawa ko potato. Guys, nagpakita ang sun guys. More than 9:41 p.m. So, going to sleep na guys. So, may sun pa oh. Hot ang sun guys. More than 9 o'clock. Going to 10 o'clock na. And they have sun oh. Crazy lagi ang weather dito. May sun pag ano na. Gabi na na. Patungo na matulog. Pag ano, daytime walang sun. Daytime no sun and it's time to sleep. They have sun now. Look.